Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My brothers and sisters, I've got exciting news for all of you.
By the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will be launching Hajj with GLM.
Hajj with the masjid, with the Imams, with the speakers and the teachers that you have come to know and trust. Hajj is an extremely important act of worship. It's an obligation upon all of us, especially those that can afford it. And it is something that you should do once in a lifetime, and you get a reward that there is like nothing else. The only reward the accepted Hajj has, Hajj Mabrur, is Jannah. May Allah take all of us to Jannah. Ameen.
Why embark on this amazing journey with us here at Green Lane Masjid?
Well, number one, we will be there with you, not just during Hajj, but even before. There will be webinars for those of you that are coming with us, but don't live here in Birmingham. From covering the fiqh of Hajj in detail, to the Hajj of the Prophet ﷺ, to how to gain the most from your du'as and your dhikr, as well as something as simple as wearing the ihram.
When you come to do Hajj with us, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we will ensure that you will have 24/7 support on the ground while you are with us for 18 days.
You have trusted Imams with you, guiding you throughout your journey, and even after, inshaAllah ta'ala, we will be there for you as well.
Our Hajj package includes 4 nights in Medina, 4 nights in Makkah, and 10 nights in Aziziyyah. Both hotels in Makkah and Medina will be high quality accommodation, where you will be close to Masjid al-Haram within walking distance. And our priority is to give you the comfort that you need so that you can perform your acts of worship and prepare for the rites of Hajj and to fulfill the rites of Hajj while you're in Aziziyyah as well.
I'm inviting all of you, come and do Hajj. This is a great and important act of worship, but come and do it with Green Lane Masjid. Hajj with GLM 2025.
For a journey of a lifetime.